Women's reproductive health technology refers to various digital tools and devices designed to improve and manage women's reproductive health. This technology can range from menstrual tracking apps and wearable devices to telemedicine platforms for reproductive health consultations, to at-home fertility testing kits, and beyond. Menstrual tracking apps allow women to log and monitor their menstrual cycles, including symptoms and mood changes, and can also provide reminders for taking birth control pills and ovulation prediction. Wearable fertility trackers use advanced sensors to track a woman's basal body temperature, heart rate, and other metrics to provide a more accurate picture of her fertility status and help predict ovulation. Telemedicine platforms for reproductive health offer women convenient and accessible access to healthcare providers for consultations, diagnoses, and treatments related to their reproductive health. At-home fertility testing kits can provide women with information about their fertility and help identify any potential fertility issues early on, allowing for prompt treatment. Overall, women's reproductive health technology provides women with greater control and understanding over their reproductive health, and can help improve health outcomes and quality of life. However, it is important to note that these technologies should be used in conjunction with traditional medical care and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice and treatment. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe our channel for more digital health content.